So y'all, I noticed this morning when we was getting the update on baby thirds and talking to household 6 and Kaylee and Ness was all in the bed and everything, right? We're looking out the window because it snowed. It snowed like for maybe 2 days straight, something like that, right? So yesterday I got outside. I went and I shoveled up our front yard, you know what I'm saying, the sidewalk in front of the cars and everything. Go to sleep tonight, wake up, all the work that I've done is in vain, bro. Check this out. If y'all can see, look, you can see where I shoveled around the car so that we'd be able to get in and out because the road plow, the street plow is gonna come up and snap. It already did right behind the car. If you can see, I'm gonna go outside so y'all can see, man, but I gotta go out there and shovel everything all over again. Hold this.
Okay.
Look at daddy. All right, y'all, we got Kaylee in control of the camera right now, so y'all bear with. Move your finger, mama. There you go, right there. That's good. Hold it. We got Kaylee in control of the camera, so y'all bear with the movement, man. Right here, I got my Polypro, this right here, y'all. I'm sharing something special with y'all right quick, right? So when I was in Afghanistan, and it was cold in the freaking room, right? I used to wear this. I used to walk around in my room like this. And this, our call sign when I was in that unit was lightning. That was my call sign. Our company motto was lightning over water. So we would always put the lightning in whatever name or whatever number that we were in the order of march whenever we rolling around the vehicles, right? So somebody gave me the nickname it was from Mr. Hanky, the Christmas poo, the Christmas doo-doo, right? Because I'm in an all brown like this, right? Obviously, you know it. So my nickname, my call sign was Lightning Doo-Doo. They used to call me, and I was mad at first when I think one of my NCOs gave me that nickname, said I looked like a piece of doo-doo, right? And that's what, it wasn't a cuss word or nothing like that. It was doo-doo. So I started to embrace it, and they used to call me, they'd be like doo-doo, and they would call me doo-doo, and I would answer them, y'all. Can y'all believe that, man? No, you don't say it. You don't say it. Look, that's why you got my freaking flip-flops on. You can't even get them off. No. All right, y'all, I'm ready to go, man. I got all my got my cold weather, my Polypro on, my thick brown Polypro on underneath. Excuse me, my regular Adidas. So got my army boots on. So y'all, these used to be my favorite gloves just because they still have the leather. You gotta wear the leather gloves. I like to wear the leather gloves in the army, but these right here, they're so thick and they capture in moisture inside of them, bro. And these gloves are like 60 bucks. I'm not getting these gloves anymore because I used these gloves yesterday. Probably been about 12 hours or something like that since I've used these gloves. More than 12 hours. I went outside and shoveled yesterday around 1700. It is now 12 today, 1100. So yeah, it's been over 12 hours and these are moist on the inside because I don't know. But anyway, getting ready to go outside and go check out this snow, y'all. Bro, this is the backyard. I shoveled all this all the way down yesterday and look, this is crazy. All that work I did yesterday for it to be in vain, y'all. There's gotta be at least like inches of snow or something, bro. From the snow that we've had for these past couple days, this don't make no freaking sense. But if y'all look, how deep it is here. This yesterday, I did that yesterday, and now we're back to all this freaking snow. Even around the car, man. Come check out around the car. Come check this out. I did all this. You can see my neighbor got theirs done over there. I did all this. All around the car right here. It all came freaking back. All around my car, all came back. I even shoveled all this out right here so I have some room to freaking put the freaking trash cans and stuff back out. Trash can recycling back out, and it's still freaking there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to it, man. Here we go. So y'all, it's actually not taking as long as I thought it would. All that right there, it took me about 5 minutes. It took me a lot longer than the other day, so I don't know, man, but yeah, definitely not taking as long as I thought it would. I'm not that mad no more. That's what's up. That took me about 2 minutes. About 2 minutes to get all the front patio porch walkway done. All right, so not bad at all, y'all, not bad. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get around the cars, all right? The only thing about around the cars, I make sure I get, because when the snowplow comes through, they put all this snow up here. And this was the heaviest part yesterday. I think this is the reason why it took me so long. I'm trying to make sure I get around the car good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure, I'm gonna go ahead and get this, hook this up real quick too. All right, y'all rock with your boy. Snowplow came through. All right, y'all, that really didn't take as long as I expected at all. So that was kind of cool when that freaking snowplow came through and hit the GoPro. But yeah, I'm done, man. And this is good. I think it's good I'm getting out here and doing this, because to be honest with y'all, I'm not doing any PT since we've been snowed in. So for me to get out here and shovel up some snow, work them back muscles, engage that core, twisting that core, you know what I'm saying? I think it's pretty good. So go ahead and get back inside, man. Take off these freaking clothes. I'm not really cold because I've been moving, so we're good to go, man. Holla at your boy. Show y'all the end result.